That's hard. It's 2 days.
Is it a cork?
Yeah.
Is it like champagne?
Okay. Oh, I thought it blew up.
We could. We're not doing that inside the house. That's more of an outside.
Then how am I supposed to open it?
Just do it.
No, Bella, you'll break it.
Then how am I supposed to open it?
Put your hand on top of it and just pull it out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Just pop the air. Or not. Just pop the air. Oh well. Sometimes that happens.
I'm also not strong enough.
Okay, well, do it on the deck, baby.
Yeah.
Then I can't keep
Yeah.
the cork.
Oh my god, this is hard. Yeah, this is hard. Oh, oh my god.
We're all like on pins and needles because any second it's just gonna.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Harder while I walked.
There we go. Good job, Jax.
Oh wee, yeah. Oh wee.
Bella, you wouldn't have got that. Sorry.
Crap. Oh wee. Oh wee. Oh wee. Oh wee. Oh my god. Okay. Oh weak.
And then we can do this. Ready, Bucky?
Weak up. Oh my god. Wake up. She's got. Oh, wake up. This is Casey. Oh, we.
It started that way. It's going backwards.
Yeah. Yo.
Thanks, guys.
Oh my god.
There's a cloth on the floor. Going to put it on the floor.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And then we're gonna.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh.
You're a little reckless.
Oh my god. This is Casey. Oh, we.
Okay, we can push this side.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's awful.
Oh, it already burned on that
Oh,
side.
yeah, we both. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oops.
Where is it? Working on it to make it keep it going because it evaporates so quickly. No birdie. You don't have to chug it.
Sorry. I know.
Is it good?
Yeah.
But I have to hide this because this would kill somebody.
Oh
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go.
See the smoke come down?
Yeah.
This is how they make whiskey sour or old fashions.
Okay, yeah.
no. Oh, it's like bamboo.
Wow.
And then
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, it's not worth it. Okay. Okay.
Another one?
Yeah. Okay.
Who said that? Peter. What do you guys do to him?
You just gonna be all standing on the deck, just like looking
I'll
around.
be creepy.
Okay, it's not worth it.
I'm not working as well as it used to.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Yep.
And then you take it off and
Yeah, that's how it works.
Another shot.
Yeah.
Wonder where the pickle juice is.
Oh, that's cool.
It's in the jar.
Yeah, but someone likes to take it out.
Yeah.
You don't like pickles, so you scared of pickles?
That is
Scared of you
cool.
with a
Yeah.
fork.
That works.
That's a lethal weapon. You're scared of your pickle, right?
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes.
You do that one? Yes. Is that your duck burger?
Thank you. Something like a reality TV show. Hey, why are we following me with the camera?
Okay. Okay. Whoa. Oh my god.
Okay, take a picture of it from the top down. In.
Yes.
Yeah, and then blow it out.
Dude, don't hit me with the pickle.
It's too deep. It burns up the side and then it goes out. Watch your hair.
Oh my god. I know what to.
Okay, blow it out.
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's no way you can.
pulled up today. You have to show up for 2. Leave me alone. More.
Yeah, Brown.
Well, thanks for coming to watch that little circus.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, it's not, but he loves doing it. We've only done it.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything actually like this, so I don't.
It didn't really work because usually it takes off and it goes all the way around. And
Yeah.
Here's some videos where it goes all the way around.
The old
Next
videos.
time you do it, you gotta get it going all the way around, and then I'll take a shot out of the bottle and probably die.
Well, we should do that.
What the hell is this? Why is red?
Just jump off the deck.
Why is red? It's red.
Running across the pond.
It is red.
Why is red? Why is red? Holy.
You didn't find them?
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay. 좋아요. 네. 좋아요.
Birdie.